Good day, everyone. Welcome to the course orientation of our geometric geodesy subject. So in this brief presentation, I am going to introduce you the course, including the course objective, topic outline, and some of the class policy. Okay? So the course description. So this course covers introductions to geodesy, discussion on the different branches of geodesy because we have different types of geodesy, geometry of reference ellipsoids. We have going to discuss also reference system and frames, geodetic datums, computation of geodetic positions, reduction of measurement to the ellipsoid, and why we need to reduce our observation to ellipsoid, datum transformation, and time, including the time system. So this is the general description of what is a geometric geodesy. Lecture and laboratory. We have 3 units lecture and we don't have a laboratory class for this subject. And we are required to have a 3 hours lecture, contact hours per week. So for now, we're going to have a 1 hour contact only per week. For the course objective, so upon the completion of this course, student must be able to, number one, introduce the concept of geodesy and identify the different branches of geodesy and their interrelationship. So that will be your first objective. Second, recognize the concept, principles, and techniques used in astronomical geodesy. We have here explained the fundamental properties of reference ellipsoid, its geometry and formulation. We have recognized the use of importance of datum, reference frame, and systems. Why do we need to discuss these important terms? We have the reference frame and system. What is the interrelationship with our survey on the field? We have number 5, identify the different coordinate system based on the different models of the Earth. We have solved computational problems related to accurate position determination, reduction of measurement and coordinate transformation, and the last one we have identify and experiment on several reference ellipsoids, geodetic data that are relevant to practice of geodetic engineering. So we're going to analyze some of the data gathered on the field, and we are going to identify what type of reference ellipsoid, what type of reference system are we going to apply to correct or to reduce our measurement into the ellipsoid system. So the course outline, we have here some of the list of the topics that we're going to discuss. First, we have the introduction to geodesy. Next to the astronomical geodesy, reference ellipsoid. We have geodetic positions, reference system and the frames. We have datum and datum transformation. And number 6, we have geodetic reference frames and datums. Next, we have the class policy. For the schedule, again, we're going to meet every Tuesday. So the Tuesday is the schedule when I will be posting our lecture videos in YouTube, Facebook, and we have here the submission of output, activities, and exam. Well, it depends about the situation, but I just wrote here 1 week after the activity was given, and the submission is through email, Google Forms, Moodle, or Messenger, or what platform must be applied or what platform is available. So you can use this one example. So we have for this semester, we have chapter exams, midterm exam, and a final exam. So before we start the lecture proper, so I have here question, why do I need to love this subject with all of my heart and soul? So I guess the answer is kailangan mo pumasa. So you need to pass the subject. That's why you need to love this subject also. We have for number 2, this is the foundation for the next higher subject. We are going to take up the satellite geodesy, the physical geodesy, and the rest of the geodesy that we are going to take up soon. And the important thing is in preparation to the board exam. So most of the board exam questions are coming from this subject. So this subject comprises the geometric geodesy, physical geodesy, satellite geodesy, and all of the geodesy, the branches of geodesy is compact in this subject because this is an introduction to the geodesy. So you need to love this subject. Okay, this one, are you ready? So I think you don't have any choice but to prepare yourselves because we are going to start the lecture proper and discover what is in the geometric geodesy subject. So enjoy learning this subject. Okay, that's it only for the course orientation. Follow the next presentation will be the introduction to geometric geodesy. So follow my posting for the next uh, presentation.